got like a blonde base like mine, I've got free reign to do whatever I want basically, because it's light enough to just put whatever color I want on. You can do strand tests really easily, which is what I've done to see what color this side of my head's gonna go. Just top up part of your fringe, or maybe put it in with some shampoo, so that when you're just washing your hair throughout the week, you can actually put a little bit more color into your hair while you're just having a hair wash. Get your hair dye towels out, because you don't want to get your hair dye on your clothes. With split dye, you've got to be really careful that you actually like apply. You've got to be careful on that parting line and make sure you actually apply it dead on the line. I'm a little bit worried that I got some pink on this side while washing it, but I don't actually think that would be too much of a bad thing, because I think if anything it will add a little bit of like pastel pink tones in the side and it might look quite cute. Oh my god, ta-da! Oh my god, this is the finished result. I'm really happy with it.